Hello and welcome to Chris Mel FPV. Today I want to do some flying, so I came into town with my Rekon 3 Nano, and as you can see there's a few new additions along with the antenna, which is a HGLRC Mini Hammer, and the body parts are actually replaced from a couple bad crashes. A good friend of mine, Nathan, went ahead and printed this out for me in carbon infused PETG. It's pretty good, pretty light and flexible, and we'll see how she flies. Let's take it up. Go right into a car chase. Seems to be doing just fine with that little bit of extra weight. Flying behind me seems to be doing quite well. This is first time I've tested out the HGLRC's Mini Hammer, and I'm digging it. Flying good. I'm getting good signal. Flying all around me here. Yeah, I'm not going far. Let's go a little farther out. We got the battery for it. Looks like we're getting great signal still. I'm liking that. Spin around did good. Yeah. See how it does going dipping a little bit behind this tree. All right, well, there's the first little crash with the PETG infused carbon fiber filament. Didn't break anything. Did a weak ass power loop, slammed into some pretty soft grass. So, but no battery ejection, no problems. Let's take it back up. Just my goggles. That's better. Thought I was gonna miss that branch. Let's see how bad it is. I know I ejected the battery. We'll see what happened. That one was a little bit worse of a hit since it landed in the dirt, but all it did was bust that top ear off of the camera protector and crack on the bottom right there.